been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available.
Let's fix this. So friends, first of all you need to tap on settings and navigate to the apps. With the recent iOS updates, all the system apps and necessary installed apps have been summarized below this apps option. Okay, so now navigate to the phone app. Here you will see a lot of options. You need to search live voicemail. By default it must be on. You just need to toggle it off. That's the place from where the annoying noise of recording the voicemail comes. Okay, and the second thing, you need to check for the call forwarding option. It must be off. The third thing you need to cross check is by launching the calling tab and dial there #004#. Okay, it will disable all the forwarded calls, SMS and other forwarded things. It will disable all of them. So you need to check these three settings and the problem will be solved. Some people like the voicemail feature and hopefully not everyone likes it. Okay, so that's the way to fix this and stop it. Thanks for watching guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the Counting Bytes.